Hi everyone, welcome to Math 115. This is a summer class and it's 6 weeks and it's online. So let's go over the main features of the course. So how the course will be run. So I'm on Canvas for our course here. So click on Home. It'll take you to the home page. Okay. So my name is Professor McLaughlin and I'll be your instructor. So I tell you to click on this Start Here button. If you click on this, it will take you to the video you're watching right now. So this is an asynchronous class, which means there's no scheduled class meeting times, and all your work will be completed on Canvas. So this class will be active Monday through Friday of each week. And each day of class will consist of either a lecture period or a quiz period. During the lecture periods, students will have 24 hours to work on questions that I post and can earn extra credit points by posting correct answers for the questions within the 24-hour time frame. So I'll be posting the solutions after the 24 hours. So I'll be checking during the lecture period, I'll be checking the discussion board at least 3 times, and we'll look at student work and answer any questions that you post. So our first lecture period will be on Monday, June 26th. So you'll have all of Monday up until midnight, 11:59, to post your solutions to the lecture questions. And on the lecture period days, I will be available on Zoom from 6 to 7. So if you click on my Zoom office here, it will take you to a Zoom link you can click on, and I'll be in my Zoom office from 6 to 7 on lecture period days. You can also email me anytime, and I'll respond within a few hours. And I'll be sending the class numerous emails each week, so make sure you check your email on a daily basis. So here's some important class information, these important links here. Got a syllabus, how to access the course material, important information about lecture periods, and what to do each day of class. And so let's click on the syllabus and go over the syllabus right now. Okay. So again, this is a summer class, 6 weeks, and it's going to be active Monday through Friday, and it's online. Here's my email address. And here's all the different ways you can contact me. You can come to my Zoom office. You can post your question on Ask Your Professor, and you can email me. Okay, so all the stuff you'll need for this course, the textbook and stuff like that will be provided on Canvas for free. So there's no need to buy anything for this class. Course description, you can look at that. So course modality. So again, this is an asynchronous online class, which means there's no scheduled class meeting times, and you're going to complete all your work on Canvas. And as I mentioned, there's going to be lecture period days where you'll have 24 hours to post the solutions to questions that I post. We'll talk more about that in a few minutes here. Okay, so then here's a video you should watch about what to do at the beginning of each lecture period. And here's a video how to participate in the lecture periods. You should watch those videos. And during each lecture period, I'll be taking attendance. So you'll have 24 hours to sign in. So I'll take attendance on Canvas. And here's a video tutorial on how you can sign in. You can watch that. So make sure you sign in. But if you do miss more than 2 class meetings, you may be dropped from the course, but it's your responsibility to drop the course if you want to drop the course. Don't assume that I will drop you. Okay, so the way you'll earn points in this course are from quizzes and assignments. And there's going to be 13 quizzes throughout the semester. No makeup quizzes will be given, but you can drop your lowest quiz score and you'll have 24 hours to complete each quiz, and it'll be a 1% penalty for every minute your quiz is late. So here's a video you should watch on how to take a quiz. So academic integrity. So before each quiz, you'll need to sign a contract stating that you will not cheat. And if you don't sign that contract, you'll get a 0 on the quiz. So that contract needs to be signed before you take each quiz. And here's a video on how to submit the quiz agreement. And pretty much it just says that you will not cheat during the quiz. And there'll also be 13 assignments. So the assignments are like little homework projects. And you can drop your lowest assignment score also. You'll have a few days to work on each assignment. Okay, and the breakdown of your grade will be 50% of your grade will be quizzes, and the other 50% will come from the assignments. The letter grade is standard. Tutoring services, if you need help, first come to my office hours, but if you need additional help, then go to Learning Center at ABC and get help from the tutors. There's information here. Just click on the Learning Center link here. Course objectives, you can look at those. Study tips, you can look at those. So if you need an accommodation to participate in this class, let me know and we can work something out. Okay, so email me as soon as possible and we can work something out. Student resources, you can look at that. Important dates, you can look at that. So here's our class schedule. So everything's laid out. So you can see on Monday, we'll be going over module 1. And then day 2, on Tuesday, we'll continue going over module 1. Then on Wednesday, day 3, you'll have your quiz and your assignment will also be due. Okay, and you can see then everything's laid out for the whole semester. Okay, so again, it's active Monday through Friday, except the very last day, I think I had to go to a Saturday. So your very last quiz and assignment over here on day 30 is actually due on Saturday. Other than that, it's all Monday through Friday. Okay, we'll go back to the home page here. So let me show you a different way you can access the content. So you can go to the bottom of the syllabus that has a schedule, but also if you click on what to do each day of class, this brings you to the same schedule that's at the bottom of the syllabus. So it's another way to access it here. Okay, so let's talk about what you need to do on the first day of class. So say it's June 26th. So you're going to click on module 1. So you can access module 1 from here. Okay, so at the top you have the objectives of the module. Then below that you'll see notes. So that's the notes for this module. You can click on those and read the notes. And then there's a practice quiz. So if you click on the practice quiz site, it takes you to a practice quiz here. And at the top of the practice quiz, there's videos of me going over the practice quiz. Up here, you can click on those and you'll see videos of me going over the practice quiz. So here's the practice quiz here, and it looks like it has 4 questions. And the first question has A, B, C, D, E, and F. So your actual quiz will look similar to this. We'll have 4 questions, just like this. So make sure you fully understand the practice quiz before you take the quiz. Okay, let me close this. And below that, you'll see practice submitting a quiz. So if you click on that, it guides you through how you can submit your quiz. So if you want to practice submitting your quiz before you take the actual quiz, you can go through and follow the steps here. Okay. Oops, go back. So another way you can get to the module, the modules is click on modules here and click on module 1. So back on module 1 again. So below that, you'll see how to participate during the lecture periods. So you can click on those and watch the videos there. You can also share your work, so only I can see your work. So if you don't want other students to see your work, there's a way you can share your work so only I can see it. Okay, so here's what to do on day 1. What you'll do is you'll first sign in. So you'll click on attendance. So you can see right now the attendance is locked until June 26th. But let me just leave student view for a second. So when you do click on it on June 26th, it will open like this. And to sign in, you just put your name in a text box at the bottom and you say submit. So that's how you'll sign in. Close this. Okay, and below that, you have student discussion 1. So click on that, and there's a discussion question you have to answer. Again, it's going to be locked until June 26th. We just reset student here. Okay, so then you go to lecture 1, question 1. Just here. But it will be locked until June 26th. And then lecture 1, question 2. When you click on that, it will take you to that question. So what you do is, for this one, I tell you to start watching this video. And then you work on this question while you're watching the video. And then you're going to post your answer to the question. And if you post it before midnight on Monday, June 26th, you'll get 2 points extra credit added to your first quiz score. And you can attempt the question as many times as you want within the time frame. So if you get it wrong, I'll look at it and tell you that you're close and give you a hint. Then you can try it again. You can keep trying it as many times as you want until midnight on June 26th. So to post your solution, you're going to use the reply button, but not the one down here. So not this reply button down at the bottom. You'll go to the top, click on this reply button, and then you'll post your answer here. You can insert a picture if you want to take a picture of your answer, or you can just type it directly here. There's video tutorials of me going over how to post your work. So once you post your work, so put a work here. So you put your work there, say post. Then I'll put it at the bottom. I'll be able to see your work then, and I'll respond to it. Okay. Let's go back now. So that's what you're going to do on day 1. On day 2, it'll be similar. You'll do the same thing. You'll have your first, you'll sign in. Then you'll do the student discussion 2, lecture 2, question 1, lecture 2, question 2, lecture 2, question 3. And then on day 3, you'll have your quiz. And before you take the quiz, make sure you sign your quiz agreement. And your assignment is also going to be due on day 3. And the assignment 1 is actually available right now. So if you click on it, it takes you to the directions. So you can just click on the directions and you can follow the directions on how to complete the assignment. So on day 3, your assignment will be due and your quiz will be due. Okay, so back on the home page here. Okay, we go to the bottom here. It has my email address at the bottom. and how to contact me. So if you click on this, takes you to my Zoom office here. If you click on this, it will take you to my Zoom office. Or you can go to ask the professor, and you can post your question there. Or you can email me. Okay. So that's the main things of the course. All right, then. So I'll see you guys on June 26th. Okay, bye. See you.